bunny rabbits. It's so hard to see because I have to zoom in, but they're literally like dead staring at me the exact same way. It's so funny. You scared all the birds and not them. Left. You can't reach them. You're so mean. Look at this charger, guys. It's beautiful, huh?
I've driven in one.
I mean the people. Oh my god, it actually is pretty nice. We're going to the fair. They have a new Ferris wheel today. I mean this year. But you guys can't really see it that good.
You pick one.
While I'm drinking Jack alone in the local.
This is what we do. We sing depressing songs and look out the window when it's raining. We basically had plans to go play volleyball.
You're beautiful, it's true.
Okay, stop singing. We were gonna play volleyball, well, beach volleyball, and then we were gonna go to the fair again, and the rain had to come. You can't really see it though. I don't know. If it pours, we're gonna go outside and play in the rain though. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, it's pouring! We're playing in the rain. I dare you to run through that. Go! I can't, my camera. Wait, let me hold my camera.
Go. You gotta go through it. Don't be a wuss.
No, that's gutter water!
It's clean.
Yo, he went in the street.
Run with me, come on.
Oh my god, it's so fuzzy, I think. It's not clear, but I hope you guys can see. It's raining. It's not clear,
Playing
but
in the rain. It's fun.
we're playing in the rain. It's so much fun. The last time this happened was last summer. There's huge puddles. It's kind of blurry. Oh my god, it's coming down so hard. Look how big the stream is. My slipper came off. It's getting away. Coming down again. Let's go, let's go. Yo guys, we found Lil Wayne.
Dímelo, ¿qué? ¿Qué pasa, muchacho? Coño, pero mira, dime.
Karate chop you. Bukalaka chun chun.
Bukalaka chuchu.
Chuepe.
Chuepe.
Yeah.
I feel like I bent my back and it won't go back to that spot.
We're walking to my old elementary school again. We're gonna go shoot some hoops really fast.
What's up?
Then we're all gonna just make a Walmart run, pick up some cookies, bake and decorate. And I'm making my own icing because the last time I made this icing, everyone loved it. So we have arrived at our destination. It's way brighter than I thought too. I thought it was gonna rain and it's like really dark outside and it's actually really bright. And we're just shooting hoops. All right, let's see if we could get this shot. Oh! Of course, as soon as we come here, it starts pouring. Well, not pouring yet, it's raining. Kobe!
Messed it up.
Alright, legit, let's go.
This was for the peeps.
Oh god. have no fans yet until you make it. What happened?
Don't make me laugh.
Oh, he's Kevin Hart now. Don't make me laugh. Close enough.
Whatever. Oh, word? You got the old schools on now? What?
We're going back to the fair. You can't really see the lights that good. Walking through! There's nobody on the bull. The fair is OD dead. Literally, we were passing by 8:30 and it was so bright. Now it's like dead. Literally, nobody's here.
That was mad retarded.
What?
Let's go this way at least. Let's go meet up with your dad.